What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tues. Man, today we're actually going to another car event. I know you've been seeing a lot of cars, but your boy like anything with motors, man. And some more bike nights are coming up, so stay tuned for those. And I will be recording those and bring you along with me to that as well. But right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get Platinum started, man. Platinum back here looking right lonely, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get Platinum started. I'm gonna bring you along with me, and we should be meeting some of the other fellas out there, but I think they're gonna be driving their cars. I know a few gonna be on bikes, but some gonna be on cars, but you know the deal. We're gonna do a walk around and do some talking. It's a Friday afternoon, it's beautiful out here, so let's get Platinum started so we can get on our way. All the boosters lined up. This is a whole vibe out here. Check this out. Old school T-Rex, nice. Yeah. That's nice right there. That's old school right there. Remember the T-Rexes back in the day? There you go. Woo, woo. Nice GT. Check it out. Yes, sir. Oh, we got some bikes pulling in. cars that's coming out.
Celebration starts. Here we go. Oh! Yay! Guess it is. What's happening, Jeff? I'm gonna pass you the mic.
Check that out. Got the Yamaha, check it out. Man, that's cool. Got another booth over here. You got the duck right here, and you got the Indian. Oh, check this blue out. I think it's beautiful. Still got plenty more cars to go look at too. Check this joint out. Across. There's Chris. I didn't know what he was doing. Volkswagen. There's that man. Check him out, check him out. Check these out. What's up, bro? That black gray is mean. Check out the light. That's a mint green. Check the passenger out in the back. All right, we're gonna go back around. We come back through the middle. Convertible sick, man. Check out this Chevy.
Oh yeah.
Just the M109 corner. 4 M109s. Got the turbo. Oh, my man would love these. What's up? Hot Wheels. All right. As more cars come, they're gonna be parking in the overflow right across the street.
Blue and yellow.
All right, man, this joint out here is sick. And the fellas over here just chilling out. Of course, we rode motorcycles out here at a car event. So there go the fellas back here, just chilling out. Man, it's cars all the way down here as well. Those cars will go back all the way around, and then they're gonna take it over to the overflow and to the other parking lot. So, and this thing is just starting, so this is gonna be going on a while. They got the DJ set up over here, so we'll hang out here for a minute. But you know the deal. You know, your boy like to ride, but I had to come to this, man. This is like 4 miles from my crib, so I had to come check it out. Stay tuned. All right, coming on down the line. Scion, check out, got the models, cars, along with the car. Volkswagen, got the Porsche. Y'all got a Ram Corvette. Cars go all the way back. Here in Laurel, Maryland, man. On a Friday, people spread out, but it's nice. And hopefully we won't have to cut some of this because of the DJ and music. Y'all know how it is. We're gonna make it happen. All right, man, so this joint is actually out here at Laurel Lakes in Laurel, Maryland. So when you go across the street, that's where the meetup is. So it's real nice in this area, man. You know, people exercising, just walking around, path. Beautiful Friday night. This is a small event. Supposed to have a bigger event in Columbia, Maryland. We'll see if we can make that one too. I don't know if y'all heard it in the background. Sound like some gunshots. I think that's a car pop. Yeah, that's the car popping. You hear it? Sound like gunshots. I was like, what in the world? Man, this is a big truck. I don't know if it's done. This is a big truck, man. It's like a mini 18-wheeler. Check this joint out. I'm gonna stand up beside it. Look at this, man. This truck is freaking huge.